Welcome to Mailix. Mailix is an AI-powered email filtering layer that works alongside Gmail to help you clean, organize, and protect your inbox automatically. It does not replace Gmail, and no human ever reads your emails. Everything is fully automated, and you stay in control at all times. In this video, I'll introduce you to John, who will walk you through exactly how to use Mailix step by step. Before we get started, it's important to understand how Mailix fits into your workflow. Gmail remains your main inbox. You can continue reading and sending emails exactly as you normally would. Mailix is your spam control center. This is where you review, categorize, and block unwanted emails. You do not send emails from here. Think of it this way. Gmail is where you read and send emails, and Mailix is where you train your inbox to automatically catch and move unwanted messages that Gmail might otherwise miss, sending them to spam or trash based on your preferences. Then, once you are comfortable with the results, you can turn on Auto Clean to completely automate junk removal. Pretty cool, huh? I'll pass it over to John to get into the step-by-step details.
Thanks, Paige. Once you log into Mailix using the secure Gmail authentication, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where everything happens. It's where you run scans, review and train, turn on Auto Clean, and take other actions. If this is your first time logging in, the first step is to run a scan. This pulls in your Gmail emails so Mailix can begin analyzing them. Mailix mirrors your Gmail inbox, scanning up to 2,000 emails at a time. You can adjust this using the slider here. If your inbox has more than 2,000 emails, simply run additional scans after each one completes. However, we recommend reviewing in batches of around 2,000 emails or less to keep things manageable and avoid feeling overwhelmed. As you start labeling, moving, or deleting emails in Mailix, those same actions are reflected directly in Gmail. In other words, if you move an email to spam in Mailix, that same email will be moved to spam in Gmail. Pressing scan never deletes or moves any emails. It's completely read-only. You'll review and train Mailix after the scan. Taking these actions will let Mailix know how you want to classify emails going forward. Press scan to get started. If it's your first time scanning, you'll go through a quick setup wizard that helps Mailix understand how you want your messages to be classified. Once complete, Mailix begins analyzing your inbox using AI, entropy analysis, and pattern detection, so it can identify and handle unwanted emails effectively going forward. Mailix looks at patterns across senders, subject lines, and content to understand which emails matter and which don't. And don't worry, your emails are never seen by humans. After a moment, your emails will appear in the dashboard. You can choose between two views: Category View, which is ideal if you have Gmail categories enabled, and Inbox View, which is best if categories are turned off. You can update your Gmail layout anytime in your Gmail settings to match your preferred view. Category View also shows the number of emails in each category, matching what you see in Gmail. You can toggle these counts on or off at any time by clicking the info button and selecting Hide Gmail Totals. To avoid false positives, Mailix's initial scan mirrors Gmail closely. However, it can identify spam that Gmail may miss, especially from senders using repetitive or low-quality messaging. Now let's clean up your inbox. With Mailix, you don't need to manually create rules to block senders or put them on your safe list. Everything happens with 4 simple action buttons: safe, suspicious, spam, or AI block. If an email is already in your inbox and looks correct, you don't need to take any action. There's no need to click safe. Marking an email as safe is only necessary when something has been incorrectly sent to spam. When you do, Mailix moves it back to your inbox, creates a safe sender rule on your settings page, and ensures future emails from that sender are always delivered properly. When blocking emails, ask yourself, is this a sender that I want to block, or is this a type of message that I want to block based on the content of the email? Safe, suspicious, and spam are all sender-based. For example, spam blocks the sender entirely. Mailix reviews all scanned emails and moves all messages from that sender into spam. Suspicious flags the sender for review, useful for automation later. And then there's AI block. This is where Mailix really stands out. Instead of blocking a specific sender, AI block understands the content of the email itself. This means similar messages, even from completely new senders, can be automatically blocked. For example, Imagine you're getting spam through your website contact form. You don't want to block all messages from your form, just the ones that follow a spam pattern. AI Block identifies those patterns and stops those messages, while still allowing legitimate emails to come through. When you use AI Block on one of those emails, Mailix moves it to spam, analyzes the content, and creates an AI rule based on the pattern, not just the sender. So going forward, any email that matches that same pattern is automatically blocked, even if it comes from a new sender. And if you ever change your mind, no problem. You can undo the action directly from the email in your spam folder using the undo button, or remove the AI rule entirely from your settings. Lastly, the Move to drop-down allows you to move all emails from a specific sender to a Gmail category such as promotions, social, updates, forums, or purchases. All scanned emails and future emails will be moved to your selected category when auto clean is enabled. Moving emails. If your scan returns a large number of spam or suspicious emails, start by reviewing them and marking anything that should be kept as safe. Once you're ready, you can move the rest in just a couple of clicks. Click Move, choose which emails you want moved, spam or suspicious in spam, and Mailix will move those emails to spam for you. Deleting emails. When you click Delete from the dashboard, as shown here, you'll see options like Delete all spam or Delete suspicious in spam. Mailix will move all of those emails to your Gmail trash. Deletion safety. If you ever need to recover something, you can. Just head over to your deletion history. Here you can view and restore any deleted emails at any time, so you can always feel confident taking action. Auto clean automation. If you want Mailix to handle everything automatically, and I highly recommend it, you can enable auto clean. You can turn it on directly from the dashboard or head into settings to fine-tune your spam and suspicious threshold preferences. When you enable auto clean, you'll choose how it behaves. If you're just getting started, I recommend setting it to move emails to the spam folder. This gives you a chance to review what Mailix is catching, either in Gmail or inside Mailix. Both stay perfectly in sync. Once you're confident everything looks right, you can switch to automatic deletion to keep even your spam folder clean. You can always review removed emails later in the deletion history. You can also choose whether to clean spam only or include suspicious emails, and set how often auto clean runs. From there, Mailix works continuously in the background, checking your inbox at your selected interval and taking action automatically. One quick note, Mailix actions happen instantly, but Gmail can take a few moments to reflect those changes. So you may briefly see unwanted emails appear in your inbox. That's normal. If auto clean is enabled, Mailix will take care of it shortly after, moving those junk emails from your inbox to spam or trash based on your settings and with complete automation. So if something slips through for a moment, just give it a little time. Even when you're not actively checking your inbox, Mailix is quietly working in the background, keeping everything clean and under control. Now let's take a quick look at a few other areas of the platform. Under your connected email address, you'll find access to billing, where you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time, affiliates, where you can earn rewards by sharing Mailix, and lastly, the option to sign out. To the left of your profile, you'll see the Help button. From here, you can visit the Help Center, chat with our AI assistant, browse support articles, or submit a ticket if you need additional help. We've already covered deletion history. Next is the extension page. Mailix offers an optional Chrome extension that adds 5 action buttons, Safe, Suspicious, Spam, AI Block, and Move, to your Gmail interface. It's a free add-on for Plus and Pro users, but completely optional. Mailix works perfectly without it. We've just found it's a convenient way to train Mailix directly from Gmail. To get started, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store using the button on the extension page. Then open it from your browser's extensions menu and connect your Mailix account. From there, you can choose which buttons to display in Gmail and customize the design. Once you reload Gmail, your changes will appear. From that point on, any action you take in Gmail syncs with Mailix, creating rules automatically so future emails are handled the same way. Next up is the Sub Hub. This is where you can view all the newsletters you're subscribed to. Click on any row to open the side panel, where you'll see details like how often the sender emails you, which category it falls under, and recent subject lines. From there, you can take action on the sender or simply click unsubscribe to remove yourself from the list. It's a powerful way to clean up unwanted newsletters and reduce inbox clutter. Let's move into settings. Inside the settings panel, at the top, you'll see how much time Mailix is saving you. Weekly, monthly, or all time. Just below that is your scan settings. Here you can undo your last scan or go back through the scan setup wizard to adjust your scan preferences. Next are your auto clean controls, along with your spam and suspicious thresholds. Adjust these to label junk more or less sensitively. Below that, you'll find your safe and blocked sender lists. You don't need to manage these manually. Mailix updates them automatically based on your actions from the dashboard or the extension. But if you'd like, you can always add or remove senders yourself. The same goes for AI custom rules. Anytime you use AI block from the dashboard or the Mailix Chrome extension, an AI rule is created here automatically. You can review, edit, or delete these rules at any time. Nothing is locked in. Everything is fully flexible and under your control. And that covers the basics of Mailix. We hope you enjoy a cleaner, more controlled inbox. Back to Paige.
Thanks, John. Let's quickly go through a few common questions. Can I still use Gmail normally? Yes, Mailix works alongside Gmail, not instead of it. Will Mailix delete emails automatically? Only if auto-clean is enabled and you set your preference to delete these emails instead of moving them to spam. You're always in control. Can I undo actions? Yes, everything can be restored from deletion history. Why do some of the emails that I mark as spam still reach the inbox? Be sure that you have blocked this email with the spam or AI block option. Otherwise, that's just Gmail syncing. Give it a few moments and those emails will automatically be moved to spam or trash based on your auto-clean preferences. Is Mailix safe? Yes, everything is automated and no human reads your emails. Best practices: to get the most out of Mailix, run an initial scan, use safe, suspicious, spam, and AI block to train Mailix, enable auto-clean, and check your deletion history occasionally. That's it. You're now ready to take full control of your inbox with Mailix. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.